So sweet corn gets a bad rap, but it's not necessarily deserved. Here we're gonna answer the internet's most asked questions and clear up the rumors around sweet corn.
Is sweet corn healthy?
Sweet corn is super nutritious and can definitely be part of a healthy eating pattern. It's packed with phytochemicals like this and that support healthy vision. It's also a great source of insoluble fiber. This is the kind that aids in digestion and can help keep you regular. It also promotes weight loss if that's your goal. Not to mention, it's a great source of B vitamins, iron, potassium, and even protein that our body needs to function at its best.
Is sweet corn genetically modified?
So this is a common misconception. Only a small percentage of corn grown in the US is genetically modified. And most of the corn that is GMO is used for processed foods like cereals and snacks and high fructose corn syrup, or turned into livestock feed or ethanol. So you likely won't have to worry about it when buying a fresh ear of corn. If you're really concerned, you can choose USDA certified organic corn or talk to the vendors at your local farmer's market. GMO crops are banned under USDA organic standards, but most farmers follow organic practices even if they're not classically certified.
Will eating corn make you gain weight?
Let's get one thing super clear. No food will inherently make you gain weight, and overindulging on any food could make you gain weight in the long term. So no, corn will not make you gain weight if you eat it. In fact, one plain ear of corn has about 100 calories, about the same as an apple, and 3 grams of fiber, which will help you feel more full and satisfied after a meal. Corn has a type of fiber called resistant starch, which is slow to digest and can help with weight control. Just be mindful about high-calorie toppings like butter and oil if weight loss is your goal.
Is sweet corn high in sugar?
Sure, compared to other vegetables, sweet corn is sweet, but one ear contains a mere 6 grams of naturally occurring sugar. That's about half as much as a typical banana or an apple. Even beets have more sugar per serving than sweet corn. The myth that corn is high in sugar is probably confusion around the varieties of corn. So high fructose corn syrup and dextrose and other sweeteners are made from field corn. This variety is virtually inedible to people, and it's made to give to livestock or turn into ethanol for cars. So that's completely different than the variety of sweet corn, the vegetable that you can eat. Plus, the sugars you should be more worried about limiting are added sugars, like the ones found in processed foods or sugar-sweetened beverages, rather than the naturally occurring sugars that are found in foods like fruits and vegetables.
Does cooking reduce corn's nutritional value?
So the nutrition profile of most foods changes a little bit from when they're fresh to when they're cooked. For example, sweet corn loses a little bit of vitamin C when it's cooked, but its antioxidant activity can increase a little bit. So antioxidants are compounds that can protect our cells from oxidative damage. That's the type of damage that can come from our environment or our lifestyle or other factors. And they've been shown in research to help reduce inflammation and risk for chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. While the specific quantities of nutrients might change a little bit, sweet corn is totally healthy whether you eat it fresh or cooked. Canned and frozen are other options too that are super budget friendly. So long story short, sweet corn absolutely is a healthy part of your eating pattern if you enjoy it. Just be mindful with the toppings that you choose to add. Let me know your favorite way to enjoy sweet corn in the comments. And if you want to learn more, keep scrolling.